Okay.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I didn't jump.
Nice.
I was pushing my luck.
Nice.
This doesn't happen, but... Oh, trees. That's good.
Oh, look at that. Fucking like
Yes, sir.
clockwork.
Nothing to her.
Nice.
Well, I feel fucking like I might be out of my element.
This is a bit of a... I've thrown the old TX a few times.
Actually, felt pretty good today. Keep going, keep going. You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, almost had her.
Yeah, I was, did the old dismount.
Just turn over and let her go.
Yeah. On the gas, on the gas.
Fuck yeah. Oh, there she's singing my tune. Oh, no.
That was the tree that kind of got in my brain, too.
The fact that I didn't just fall over is quite impressive.
Yeah, it is. Get your balance good on the front. Slippage, keep coming. There you go, keep coming. Do a hard right. There you go, you got her. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
Yeah, you got this. Yeah, good. What was that?
Well, good till I lost her. Oh. Well, what I thought would happen, happened.
Yeah, that's kind of my thought, too.
There you go, there you go. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Where are you going? Holy, what is this?
Oh, I made it to the log hop.
I see that.
Yeah, see, I don't know what the best course of action is for that. Yeah. Well. Yeah. You got this next? Yeah, buddy! You did it! Yeah! Oh, you stalled it. That's still a good effort.
Yeah.
And loose and... Oh, Nick.
What happened there?
I'm not sure.
Huh. That's interesting.
I think there was a midget down there flashing his titty.
Oh, my God.
Oh, you guys got to tell me the story.
This is dumb.
Yeah.
Oh. Guessing John. Where's John? Oh, there he is.
I'm coming.
All right.
I didn't turn enough, Captain.
Run right into the back of you.
That's all right. Well, I got a tire.
Yeah.
It's like a little bumper. I got to clean that branch out. I fucking hit it the other day when I was coming up and out. I was looking ahead and not probably looking where I was supposed to look, but then I missed the tree and I whacked her.
Going.
There you go.
Yeah! Way more traction, guys. It's way more traction. It's dried up a lot.
Oh, I didn't make it, boys. I didn't make it.
Son of a gun. Try a first gear, let her eat. Maybe.
Apparently. Jesus! I just seen a roost like 20 feet long. Oh, that just whacked you in the face, didn't it?
Not quite, but well, I got her. It wasn't pretty, but
didn't actually look that bad from back here.
No.
Oh wow. It's funny how it feels different than it looks sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.